Hello, hi, welcome to Digital Marketing with Growth Hack. If that is what you want to learn, then you are at the right channel because I'm giving you an opportunity to learn about digital marketing with Growth Hack, where I will reveal the secret methods, how the growth hacking techniques can leverage your business to the next level. So, I would be revealing some of the secret methods in the growth hacking techniques you may not heard of. So, I would be providing you some of the tools which can directly shift your business to the next level. So, if you are a startup entrepreneur, you want to learn digital marketing with Growth Hack. If you want to grow your business, then this course is for you. If you are a student, you want to learn growth hacking with digital marketing and to grow your career, then this course is as well as for you. If you are a digital marketing professional and if you want to boost your profession and want to learn growth hacking techniques to build your career, this course is for you. Also, if you don't know how the big corporation when they started like LinkedIn, Google, Twitter, Snapchat, Pinterest and Instagram, of course, they have used a growth hacking techniques which actually skyrocket the business to the next level. So if you want to learn all this, how did they implement the growth hacking techniques when they started the company to make $1 billion company now? So how this works? I would be revealing some of the methods here. I would be taking you to the brief description what they have used in this course, and this course is for all you guys and I welcome you everyone. And my name is Somshekhar Swami. I help business around the world in growth hacking and digital marketing for large corporation, mid-sized startup companies growing the business to the next level. In this course we are divided into 5 different sections. You would be looking at the next part 2 video. Thank you very much for listening to my day first introduction to digital marketing with Growth Hack.